Well, I think the main reason we had all this work done was the philosophy of aging in place. No maintenance, low maintenance was the idea, so that we wouldn't have to move to a smaller townhouse. We opted for LP SmartSiding. We just love it, and all the neighbors are impressed.
They have complimented us. We're pleased with the quality of the product of the siding. We were totally impressed with the crew that came out and did the job. They were nice young fellows, hardworking, meticulous in the work that they did. When there was a decision to be made, they involved us in the decision, and we were very pleased. Another thing that you might not think about, when the crew was there, they were respectful of our house, our property. They spoke nicely to each other, so that the whole experience was not invasive, intrusive, and we were very pleased with the end product.